In a stage like this, you gotta think, and I don't think she thinks the same way I think. And I know it all comes down to the hell, and I guess I might as well just show and tell about the way I feel. And when I think about you, I feel like, yo, if I can't have you, I might as well just drown in a well. Your hopes, your dreams are everything to me. And I hope you know we're meant to be. And all I got to say is don't give up on this love. You know that we are meant to be.